What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today I bring you an asset that will enable you to create AAA FPS games in literally seconds. It's from my friend BP Systems, the creator of Combat Fury. So let's take a look at the FPS Toolkit Lite. This FPS Toolkit is a powerful and user-friendly asset designed to help you create high-quality first-person shooter games with ease. The toolkit is created to deliver high-quality results with minimal effort. For example, by simply adjusting data tables to customize weapons. I must say that this is the only FPS asset in the marketplace that has got a AAA feeling into it, where everything is just super smooth. This is the light version, and there's an upcoming pro version with extra features in the works, and a pack will be released if you want to upgrade from light to pro in the future. You can check out the asset through the link in the description. So let's check it out. Alright, so I'm in the showcase map, and as you can see, I'm holding a pistol, and instantly when I start moving around, you feel that super smooth movement. You have a really cool leaning, we have turn in place, which makes it look way nicer. You know, other FPS assets in the marketplace, when you use turn in place, they just float, but in here not. You actually move around, like in Call of Duty or this other AAA games. We also have this really cool interaction system with this 3D prompt, which looks amazing. And let me go ahead and equip this shotgun over here. I mean, look at this animations going on. So let's go ahead and start shooting, and boom. I mean, it's just insane, bro. Like, for real, look at all of these animations. It's just insane, bro. Also, the feeling of shooting is like if I was like playing Overwatch, Call of Duty, something like that. Like, for real, this could be a fully released game. I'm not kidding. I'm not really just exaggerating or anything like that, because I'm reviewing the asset and, you know, I got a good contact with BP System, anything like. For real, I'm telling you that this is really impressive. I've not seen any FPS asset in the marketplace like this, like, for real. I mean, we can also see just Combat Fury, how awesome it looks, right, in third person with combat and in melee and things like that. But this is really impressive. I'm not seeing anything like that. We also got more features, like, for example, when I press G, I can throw grenades. And look at this, it's just super cool. And if I hold X, we have a whole menu of grenades. So I could get like a flashbang and throw it. And we have also like smoke and things like that. So I could go ahead and get smoke, throw it, and when the grenade explodes, we have smoke. So it's super cool. We have even multiple types of grenades, which is just impressive, right? We got also ammo boxes, which, you know, we can pick up. And if I press tab, you can see all the controls and key bindings. So yeah, we have crouching. If I press C, we have sliding. So if I sprint and press C, I got really cool slides, so I can slide through here, which is amazing. I got melee, so I go here and press V. I can stealth take down this guy. Now there's two versions of this. There's one in first person, which is the one that we just saw, and one in third person, which is randomly, which is super cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get the knife, for example. I'm gonna go ahead and jump over here, and let me equip the knife, and I could go over here and also just stab him, and then we go with another animation, which is super impressive, right? We got some more ammo here and another type of rifle. So these are all the default weapons that the pack contains, and of course the pro version will come with more of these, right? So let's go back into our little section over here, and I can go and start just shooting. There we go. This is super cool. Like, for real, this is amazing. Look at this reload. Like, you could create a whole, you know, FPS game with this and release it like super detailed. Like, it got that you know, AAA sensation into it. I cannot explain it. Like, it's not, it doesn't feel like a marketplace asset, you know. Super smooth. Like, you're not gonna get any like flickering in animations or bugs and things like that, like in just things failing. It's just super smooth. And as I mentioned, it's super easy to customize things. So I could search up the weapon types database, which is under here. So if I scroll, we have it here. So weapon state. As you can see, we have a list of all the weapons, and I can go and select, for example, the pistol and edit all the sounds. I could go to the weapon setup and change the weapon type, the rarity, the burst fire mode, the fire rate, right? And all this stuff. Like, it's super cool, and it's easy to add new weapons into the game too, right? All from a database, which is super cool. and also it's easy to integrate into other existing projects. So you get a full documentation how to look at it. You have got the Discord server and more things upcoming, so super cool. So overall, go ahead and check it out through the link in the description. It's available in the marketplace. And if you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of unreal 5 videos and tutorials, so check me out. Join my Discord server, follow me on socials, and now yes, with all that said, bye.